let's go to the creepy. Who the fuck knows what we're going to come into in this joint? Fuck, it smells like smoke in here. Oh, there's someone asleep there. We've got one person living here. Leave her alone. It's so heavy of smoke in this joint. Fucking Jesus. I'm not leaving. Just don't go near her. Leave her alone. Have a little look around. Oh, is that upstairs? We'll go up in a sec. I reckon this might have been a nightclub. Pretty wild ceilings. Crusty teddy. Like I said, it stinks. I don't know about you, but it fucking smells like fire. So black in here. Oh, couldn't have walked in anything quieter if I tried. Yeah, because that's random. This is all walk into a fucking... Check out what's behind us. You can hear shit. Just keep looking, making sure. What's this door back here? I mean, this will go upstairs. No, I can't open it. I'll leave that one alone then. So I still can't figure out what this was meant to be. I wonder if it was a TAB. Nah, because I wouldn't paint a TAB completely black. It's alright, no one's living in this room. Oh, this is soundproof in here. Can't hear shit. Someone's definitely been living in here. Pretty sad when people live like this. I think that might be the front entrance. Where? Oh, okay. Whoa. Just have a little look-see. The floors just confuse me so much. Like everything's just... Why is it so black? Oh. Display case. That's weird. Different. Interesting. Alright, so we got another set of stairs. Toilets. Yeah. More toilets. Who knows? Oh, okay, mains electricity. Yeah, see, this place has been empty for ages. I've even gutted the electricity. What have we got here? Nothing. An empty shell. That's a really weird size roller door. Different, hey? Do we go upstairs and have a look? Let's have a little look. FBFM. So is this place a bit, maybe this place is a bit of everything.
Apparently this is a gym.
A gym?
Yeah.
Righto. Fucking stinks, that's all I can say. Toilets. Oh, Look how long that is. I think there's someone in there too. I might be. Just leave them alone either way. I try not to disturb people that are resting. Hello? No one in here. Would have been at one point. It's got that long hallway. See how creepy it is up here. It's so weird because when we first walked in it smelled like smoke.
Dude, that whole floor's full of water. I don't really plan on walking through this.
Kitchen. Footprints all over the joint here. This place is huge, man. I can't even see the end. This place is creepy. Like, I like it creepy. What a weird place. Still can't figure out what it would have been, you?
Well, the only thing I can work out is once upon a time it was a gym. It said like powerlifting, strength and immunity in this box.
There you go. So,
Oh man.
creepy fucking
In
place.
the roof.
What the fuck? But it keeps going. That is fucking creepy as. I'm walking down here just because I fucking like how creepy it is. Oh man, this is a fucking creeps. The roof's only like from me.
Yeah, this is the fire escape that takes to the roof.
Ah. There's the smell of smoke again. Yeah, there's a dead end, there's a door there. Okay. So, fire escape. That is a really cool looking hallway though. This is why I don't get photos, guys, because this is all I do. Is film and walk. And fart. Oh, that's felt good. That was cool. Huh?
Stop walking for 2 seconds.
Stop walking for 2 seconds. He wants me to let him take a photo. Oh, there's a door in here. I didn't actually see that before. Oh, there's another stairs. Oh. It just goes down to where that person was sleeping before. So we've got 2 people living in here. Yeah, I suppose 2 that we know of. So that's as high up as we can go, is it? Is there more stairs? Oh, that's it, okay. I thought there was another level. Okay. Maybe it was in the other end. But that's all we got here. They're just outside into nowhere.
Yeah, so you read the front of the steps. You've got power